Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So whole Vedic system is designed in such a way that ultimately one is saved from this process of birth, death, old age and disease. Long, long ago, when Vishwamitra Muni came to Maharaj Dasarath for begging Ram Lakshman to take them to the forest because one demon was disturbing, they could kill, but the killing business is for the Kshatriyas. This is Vedic civilization. It is not the business of the Brahman. So, the first reception Vishwamitra Muni got from Maharaj Dasarath, that Oihistang jad punarjanma jayaya. You great sages, saintly persons, you have given up the society, you are living alone in the forest. What is the purpose? The purpose is punarjanma jayaya, to conquer over repetition of birth. This is the purpose. Similarly, this Krishna consciousness movement is also meant for the same purpose, punarjanma jaya, for conquering over repetition of birth and death. You should always remember this. A little mistake will spoil the whole scheme. Little mistake. Nature is very strong. Daivijjesa gunamai mama maya viratya. Very, very strong. So, you all, boys and girls, those who have come from America, I am very much thankful to you. But don't be less serious. Be very serious. And another thing I request, especially to the Americans, that America has good potentiality to save the world. So if you preach very nicely in your country, and not all of them will be interested, but if a section of men in your country, you can turn them to become Krishna conscious, it will be great benefit to the whole world. But the aim is the same, punarjanma jayaya, to gain victory over this process of birth, death and old age. This is not fiction, this is fact. People are not serious. But you can teach your people, otherwise the whole human society is at risk. They are like animals without any kind, especially this communist movement is very, very dangerous to make big animals. They are already animals, and this movement is making big animals. So I am speaking to America because America is a little serious against this communistic movement, and it can be counteracted because the process is current since a very, very long time. Deva Asura, Devasura, they fight between the demigods and the demons. So, the same fight is there in different name, communist and the capitalist. But the capitalists are also 80%, 90% demons. Because they do not know the science of God. That is demonic principle. So there is good chance in your country to make them, or they rectify their demonic principles, and then they will be very strongly able to fight with the other demons. Because if we become Deva, Deva means Vaishnava. Vishnu Bhakta Bhave Deva. Asuras Tad Viparjay. Those who are devotees of Lord Vishnu, they are called Deva, or demigods. And those are just the opposite number. The opposite number also, they have got some god. Just like the demons, they worship especially Lord Shiva. Ravana, the example, we are not accusing unnecessarily. Ravana was a great demon, but he was devotee. Worshipping Lord Shiva means to gain some material profit. And in the worshipping Vishnu, there is material profit that is given by Vishnu. That is not karma. But Vaishnava, they are not aspiring after any material profit. The material profit automatically comes. But then, they do not desire, anna vilasita sunnam. Material profit is not their aim of life. Their aim of life, how to satisfy Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, that is Vaishnava. Vishnu asya devata. Nothing, and the demons, they do not know that to become Vaishnava, that is the highest perfection of life. They do not know. So anyway, our request is that you, all young men, who have taken to this path of Vaishnavism, and there is very good chance to preach this cult in your country. So, even if you are not very much successful in other countries, in your country will be very much successful. There is good potential, and try to make them stronger to fight with the demonic principle. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,